These ones here are, I just need to know what 9% is. There's two ways I could view it. I could find 9% and add it to the price. Or, what's the other way I could think about this? Go? I could use an algebra formula for sure. But I mean just in terms of the actual concept, the way I'm thinking about it. I could find 9% and add it to the original price. Or I could just understand what is the original price in terms of percent. 100% of the original price. If I have the whole price, it's 100%, and I'm adding 9 more to it. So, or I could find 109%. Does that make sense? Because what I'm taking is 9% and adding it to the 100. Or I could just find 109. Either one works. The one you asked me to do, question 5. So, I usually do this one. And this is the one I think you'd mentioned right off the bat, Dory, when we started this unit. The idea of if you got to figure out a price of sales tax, it's 1.13, right? Rather than finding 0.13 and adding it on. But either way, if you're asked how much was the tax, you must do the first way. Because you need to find what the 9% is. If you're just asked what's the final price, you can skip that one and do the second. Okay? So, for this sales tax, you literally just need to find, I would do it this way, 1.09 times 369, or 363.99. Sorry, that's awfully messy. And then you have, you just, 09 times 363.99. 396.74? 75? Yeah. 396.75 because it's 74.9. So that would be B. What do you mean? So, music trade store pays $3 for used CDs, sells them for $8.50. What's the maximum percent discount the store can offer while still making a profit of $3.25?
Why does it say $3.25?
So, in order for this to work, you need to know what the word profit means. What's the word profit mean? Go? Gain. The amount above what I paid. So, if I paid 3 and have a profit of $3.25, how much would I have to sell it for in order for that to work? I mean, I have to pay $3. I need to be $3.25 above. $6.25. So, $6.25 is what I must sell it for in order to make my profit of $3.25. Does that part make sense?
Yeah, because then it'd be 9. What?
He pays $3 and he wants, so that's the cost he has. If he wants to make above $3, everything above $3 is profit. It says the profit has to be $3.25. So 3 and 3.25 is $6.25. Are we good that far? So now we need to figure out what is the discount. The original price was $8.50. It's being discounted all the way down to $6.25. So how much is the discount? Both in terms of actual amount of dollars and cents and in terms of the percent discount. So what we need to do is we need to figure out how much is it discounted and then make that like a test. This much out of the original price. And then we'll have our discount. Make sense? If not, watch this again when you get home. Terrible. So, what is the discount? If it was originally $8.50, I'm sorry? Okay. If it was originally $8.50 and the price drops down to $6.25, go. $2.25. Everybody agree? Good. So, I'd literally just subtract and I'd end up with $2.25. This is my discount. Okay? So I should label that. It's my discount. So now I need to know, what is my discount in terms of a percentage? You got it? You think? That's okay, give it a shot. Okay. Do you have a question for me about that? You need to wait a second. Okay? Remember, if I need a percentage, it's like a test. The amount that it's changed, up or down, over the original price. What's the original price? That's the thing. There's lots of numbers, and I need. Which one is the one that I actually use for the bottom? Go. 850. And how much was the discount?
225.
This is going to give you a decimal when you do that dividing, and then you can convert that decimal to a percent. Who's got it? 0.26?
Yep, that's about.
That's going to equal 26%,
Yeah.
which is D, which is right. Excellent.